Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
In this video, I will explain how to open your Audi A7 hood. First, locate the primary hood release lever inside the cabin. It's usually found on the driver's side, either near the door sill or tucked under the dashboard. This lever often has a small hood icon. Give it a firm pull to release the initial latch. You should hear a distinct click from the front of the car, indicating the hood has partially opened. This step is crucial for accessing the secondary release. Once the primary lever is pulled, your Audi A7 hood will be slightly ajar, creating a small gap at the front. Now, you need to locate the secondary safety latch. Carefully reach your hand into this gap, usually around the center or slightly to one side. You'll feel a small lever or tab. Depending on the model, you might need to push it up, pull it towards you, or slide it to the side. This action fully disengages the hood, allowing you to lift it completely. With both latches released, you can now gently lift the hood of your Audi A7. It should open smoothly without resistance. Once it's open, locate the hood support rod. This rod is usually found clipped into a holder within the engine bay, often on the underside of the hood itself or along the fender. Carefully unclip it and insert the end into the designated hole on the underside of the hood or in the engine bay. This ensures the hood stays securely open while you work. To close the hood, first remove the support rod and secure it back into its clip. Then, gently lower the hood until it's about 1 foot from fully closing. Do not drop it from a high distance. Finally, press down firmly on the hood, usually in the center or near the latch points, until you hear 2 distinct clicks. This confirms both latches have engaged securely. Remember to check the description for a link to the Shark AI Ultra Robot Vacuum and other great deals to keep your car and home sparkling clean.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.